Ash and welcome to my channel One Step. So in this video I am going to show you how to add dimensions and how to change the text height of the dimension. So let's get started. To add the dimension, just click on this dimension tab and then just add it like this. For this you can also use the command dim enter. Now why I am showing you this command is that in 2014 and 15 version of AutoCAD you will not be able to add the dimensions continuously. To add every single dimension you have to click on this dimension command and then add it. So to work fast you can use dim enter command and then you can continuously add the dimensions without clicking on this dimension tab. But if you are using the 2018 version of AutoCAD, you can just simply click on this dimension tab and continuously add the dimensions. Now talking about the text height of this dimension. To change the text height of this, you can just open dimension style manager by typing command dim style like this, or you can just go to the annotate option and then click on this small arrow to open it. Now just go to the modify option and then go to the text, and here change the text height of this. I will be keeping it 70. You can keep it as per your convenience and then click on OK and then click on set current and close it. So as you can see that we have successfully changed the text height of this. Now let me show you. See. So guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do comment if there are any queries and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day everyone.